Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to buy Pixel coin on Binance. It's easy to get this token. All you need to do is make sure you have an account on Binance. And if you do not have an account on Binance, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account. So guys, you've got a verified account. How can you buy the Pixel coin? It's really easy. The deposit icon here, select this deposit icon and choose between depositing crypto or depositing fiat currencies. You could deposit crypto by clicking on deposit crypto. Any cryptocurrency listed here can be converted into the Pixel token on Binance. Now, if you wish to deposit fiat, all you need to do is simply click on the more icon, and where we have the deposit fiat option, select deposit fiat, and by using your local currency that's on your card, your MasterCard or Visa card, your local currency would then be converted into cryptocurrency by paying a fee or by converting the amount you selected into cryptocurrency. So guys, once you've gotten yourself some crypto, head to the wallet icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll from the overview to the spot or funding, depending on where your cryptocurrency is stored. And once you've had a look at your cryptocurrency, head to the home section where we have convert. Click on convert, and from USDT to Pixel, select the Pixel token or search for Pixel. Once you've selected Pixel, enter an amount of USDT you wish to convert into the Pixel token and click on preview conversion and simply click on convert. By doing this, you've successfully bought some of the Pixel tokens. Do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.